I made these Dollar Tree lollipops for Halloween. They came out so good and were so easy to make. Let me show you. You're gonna need 2 pool noodles, and this just gives you that bigger, chunkier lollipop. I taped it and I made sure that the tape was super tight around the middle, and then I went back over from the top and taped it so it kind of overlapped. I tried doing it with just 1 layer of tape, and when we rolled it, it popped apart. So I would recommend going back over it. Start about 2 inches above both ends and just kind of twist it down. Now I'm just going down the pool noodle with black duct tape, and we're going to do end to end. And don't feel like you have to put the tape on absolutely perfectly. As you can see, I messed up and it came right off, so just peel it off and put it back on. Also, you don't have to use 2 pool noodles. I just chose to use 2 because it made the lollipops bigger and you could just see them better from the yard. So now we're at the end. I'm just taking some scissors and snipping the end of that tape off. Alright, so now we're done wrapping that black duct tape around the 2 pool noodles. Right, now we're gonna roll it really tightly. Some other tutorials that are out there, they use hot glue and then glue it as they roll. I didn't want to do that because that was just gonna be way too messy and time consuming. So I just decided to tape it, and I'm taping it like really taut, like it's really tight against the lollipop. And I did it a couple times just to make sure it's not gonna like pop out or anything like that. And this is kind of the shortcut way to do it, and that worked for me. I've had them up in my yard now for like 2 weeks and they've been fine. Now we're gonna put the lollipop sticks in the lollipop, and we used the Dollar Tree, just like broom or mop handles for like $1.25. And my husband's now just drilling the hole, which is a lot easier than sticking a knife in there like other tutorials have shown, but hey, whatever works. So yeah, he poked a hole in it, and now we're just gonna put the broomstick handle in there. This is what it looks like with the lollipop stick attached. Now we're just going to take these basket bags that I got from Dollar Tree and put it over the lollipop. Now I'm just going to be making the bows that I'm attaching to the front of the lollipops. And I got this ribbon at Dollar Tree as well, and they're just simple bows. I really wanted to keep the cost of this project down, so everything that you see in the video will be from Dollar Tree. It was really cheap and didn't cost that much to make. It is a little time consuming, but I'd rather spend, some extra time to make them than spend like, I don't know, I think I've seen them selling for like $35 for 1 lollipop of that size. I'd rather just, use my time to make them. And just a little heads up, this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, it had so much fallout from the glitter that was on there. So just make sure you have something under to catch all that fallout because it will get everywhere. Okay, here are the bows. I made 7 altogether for each lollipop. And to tie the basket bags around the top of the lollipop, I just used some wire tie and tied it. And then for the bows, I just used hot glue and glued it onto the front. And sorry about the weird flashing. I don't know what was happening to my camera. All right, so here is the bow. And now I'm just taking this like bright orange ribbon that I also got from Dollar Tree and just gluing it to the front of the bow just to make it kind of pop a little so you'll see it better. As you can see, I made quite a few. I think I made 7 altogether, black and white, and then orange and black. And this is what they look like when we put them up. So to install them, we just drilled a hole in the ground, and then my husband has this, I don't know what that thing is for, but it's huge. So he just actually pounded that down to make the stick go down further so it wouldn't blow. We're in Georgia, and right now we get like a ton of wind. It's super windy over here, so we wanted to make sure it was secure. So he's just packing it. And then you can see my sweet little doodle Coco in the back, just enjoying the breeze. And these are what they look like. I think they came out really well. They were really cheap. I think maybe like $5 per lollipop after all of the materials. So really good investment, and I hope you guys liked it.